What if a policeman sees it or something? They're gonna be like, what the fuck are they filming?
Yeah, the one that passes the red light.
Oh my god, there's a cop. Quita la cámara, quita la cámara. There's a cop right behind us. There's a cop right behind us. Why is it following us? Oh my god, why is it coming this way? Why is it coming this way? Shit. I think we're gonna get stopped. Oh shit, it's coming. It's coming here. It was a one-way, you dumbass. Stupid ass, I swear to god. What a dumbass. Come on! That is, this fucks up my view. Get in the shot.
No.
Get in the vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a little vlog. Not really, it's just a little video, I guess, that I wanted to record, which you can call it a vlog. But I am here with my sister Maria, so get in here. And we're gonna go to the store really quick just because I am about to start filming my birthday episode. That is right, my birthday is July 24. And if you want to start sending me gifts or anything like that, I'll leave my my address right here on screen. So this is my address, so you can start sending your gifts.
And so that way, you know, we can make a little opening box thingy or whatever and upload it on YouTube. So send your gifts.
No one wants to send you anything.
Just kidding, guys, that is not my address, so do not send stuff to that address. Don't send anything, I don't want anything. But an awesome birthday gift that you can give me is if you follow me on social media. So you can follow me on Instagram, on Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter. All the links will be down below. But anyways, right now what we're doing is we're just gonna go to Family Dollar, right? Because we're gonna film my birthday episode. We're gonna, even though my birthday is not until like 3 more weeks, but we have to film it already and have it ready. So we are going to make a gravity defying cake or something like that with candy. So we have to go buy candy because we don't have candy. So we're gonna go buy candy. We're gonna go buy chips because we don't have nothing to eat at night. And my mom is making me go drop this stupid thingy off in the mail thingy, so I have to go drop that off. So anyways, let's get started with today's vlog.
Bien perro, yo me creo vlogger. Okay, let's...
A few moments later.
Imagine the title says something like Epic Crash or something. Maria, you have to kind of take care of the camera.
Yeah. It's okay, it's okay. Your fault. Put it there.
The trash can... Oh, fix the lighting.
You can fix it.
And imagine we crash.
Your fault.
A little crashing moment. And the trash cans are right there.
Guys, I'm driving super slow because I don't want this to fall. I need to buy that little camera thingy. I swear, might if it falls. And then what if a policeman sees it or something? They're gonna be like, what the fuck are they filming? Can they stop us for this? Can we get a ticket for driving if we have a camera? I don't think we can. I hope not, but if you see a cop, then get the camera right away. Yeah,
I mean, don't you know where you fucking live? Or what?
That's right. Like, our house, our street, whatever, on the corner, it's like the police station, so we're gonna like definitely drive by right now. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through the street, that's too much work. Maria! I told you! Anyways, so what kind of candy are we buying?
No.
Guys, I kind of want to buy like Kit Kats or M&Ms. I think I'm gonna buy Kit Kats and M&M, and I'm gonna make that cake that has the Kit Kats on the sides and then the little like M&Ms falling. I think I'm gonna do something like that with like a little ribbon or something. I don't know. We can probably buy like a little happy birthday balloon or something and put on there. Anyways,
And then
so
put your age.
no, I'm not gonna put my age. But anyways, when we get to the store, I am not gonna get down with this huge ass camera because I do not vlog. I am not a vlogger, so
O sea, la cura me está doliendo la mano.
Cállate. So, I'm gonna try to film with my phone because I am not gonna get down with this huge ass camera.
Qué ridículo.
Everyone's gonna look at me all stupid and weird. They're gonna be like, we should just go here first, huh? Nah.
No.
On our way back. Everyone's gonna be looking at me weird, like what the hell is this weirdo doing? But anyways, we're almost there. Like literally the store is like right there. And I feel like this vlog is gonna be super easy.
Hurry up.
Super easy, super fast.
I'm turning.
What do you want me to do, fly?
Hurry the fuck up, you're doing so slow.
Maria, there's a car in front of me.
You're getting to the go. Wait, let me see it.
I'm not gonna move, the store's like right there.
Ay, no, apúrale.
You're so annoying, you're like the worst. We didn't bring a mask. fucking shit.
I did.
Fucking shit.
That's your fault. Yo.
Did you bring a mask?
Yeah.
Okay, then I have one in the car. Do I? I don't think I do. Oh my god, excuse my language. The video? I can't even see it. God, my sister's so stupid.
Oh, hurry up. My arm hurts. There, que tu pinche cámara.
Hold on. All right, we're gonna start recording with the phone. Okay, so this is my phone right here, right now. Ugh. I hate wearing masks, but we have to wear them. So if you go out, wear your mask.
Oh, it is true.
What? Oh, that you're able to take it out? Yes. Stupid. Oh my god, my sister's so stupid. Anyways, let's go. I hate this. Oh my god, the lady right here is watching me. She's looking at me. The lady right here is looking at me. Like, what the hell is this? Like, what is this weirdo doing? There, it's locked. Anyways, so let's go. Oh wait, we're here to buy candy. Oh, it's over here. Go ahead and bring a little. Mario. Why don't you want to bring me? Oh my god, this is so awkward, guys. Okay, this is so awkward right here, right now. My sister's in the back. I'm gonna go get a little canastita right now. Hold up. Okay, let's get the Kit Kats. So how many do I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you think that'll be enough to go around the cake? I am so bad at this. Shut the hell up. I'm really bad at filming at the stores, guys. But anyways, we got some Kit Kats and some M&Ms, and now we're gonna go get chips. Oh wait, let's go here. Maybe they have a little birthday section. Do they have a little birthday section where I can put like something on the cakes? No, okay, not here, not here. Let's go to the other section. Guys, this is so awkward. I've never done this. Anyways, we're here at the chip station. So what chips are you getting?
Your grandma.
Bitch.
Stop recording me. I know I'm famous.
You're so dumb. Look, $2 por $4. Okay, so we're just gonna get some chips right now. We're gonna go pay because this is so awkward and it's so weird. But anyways, we're gonna get some chips right now. Okay, so we just got out and we paid. I am very bad. Here. Cállate. So we just got out. Trying to shut the fuck up. Okay. God, is that necessary?
Take forever to open the fucking door.
Shut up! Guys, that was so awkward.
You're such a fucking badass.
That was the most awkwardest thing ever. I've never really vlogged in the store. But anyways, we're gonna switch back to our camera. So, peace. Okay, so we're back here trying to fix it and shit.
Nobody asked.
Oh, I hate this. This is not letting me focus.
Apúrale!
Oh shit, I can take this off now. Okay, let's go. Oh shit, I didn't even... Guys, I promise I'm a very good driver.
Yeah, the one that passes the red light.
Oh my god, there's a cop. Quita la cámara, quita la cámara. There's a cop right behind us. There's a cop right behind us. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Good
god.
luck with this.
I get so nervous when there's a cop right behind us. Why is it following us? Oh my god, why is it coming this way? Why is it coming this way?
Sacaste la ex, stupid.
Shit. Did it see the camera?
Do you think I know?
Oh my god, I think we're gonna get
Sí, te van a
stopped.
parar.
I think we're gonna get stopped. Oh shit, it's coming. It's coming here. It is coming. Fuck. And it's following us now. Oh my god, I get so fucking nervous. I can't with cops. I don't know why. Oh shit, it left. It fucking left. Ah! What the hell? I hate cops. Guys, I get so nervous when there's a cop behind me.
Get the camera.
It's because I just know that I fixed the camera and then I look back and there's a cop right there. And I'm like, shit, get the camera, get the camera. But it left. Okay, I'm good.
Can you go faster?
No, you're stupid. Okay, so we're gonna go drop this off. Record that. Oh my god, I have the worst camera person ever.
Es que no se ve.
Oh no, we do fit. Never mind. Imagine I scratched the whole truck right now. Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna like.
You don't fucking reach?
Cállate.
Well, he has to fucking
Okay.
do all the time.
So it just went in there.
I think they know that. They're not stupid.
I'm gonna punch you. Anyways, let's go. You see, it doesn't make
Don't
that
you
sound.
see ahí están los polices?
Oh yeah, film the police.
They don't want.
I'm just playing, don't film them. Maria, hold the camera up here.
I know, es que yo me canso.
Give me the damn camera. This is so bad because I am driving and I am like filming right now. And this is not good. This is not safe. But my sister's so stupid, I swear. She's like the worst camera person ever.
Shut the fuck up.
Ugh. But anyways.
Anyways, hurry the fuck up.
Shut up. So we're about to get home. I feel like this was the fastest and most weirdest vlog ever because nothing really happened. Nothing exciting happened. And why is that truck just there?
Okay, once it's right there.
Why is it just stopping? That's kind of stupid. It was a one-way, you dumbass. Stupid ass, I swear to God. What a dumbass. Anyways, so, we're about to start filming our little birthday episode, so I guess you're gonna see a little behind the scenes. And if you want to see my birthday episode, well then stay
They
tuned
don't wanna
because
see that.
it's gonna come out on July 24, and we are home right
Mira, you
here,
don't even know how to fucking record.
right now. I'm on a. That's why you shouldn't take your seatbelt off until the truck is officially out. Off. Come on. So we're home. This is where we film. Mamá, ya llegamos.
Mira,
¿Qué haces?
mira, mira.
¿Qué haces?
El marrano de tu hijo.
No, es que la señora nos dijo, están $1, mijo, ¿no quieres comprarlas?
Como Felipe dijo, no, sí, está bueno, pues agarra todo.
Yeah. So my mom is cooking something right now. I don't even know what the hell she's cooking.
Pendejo, ¿qué chingos quieres? ¿Viste?
What
Sí, está pendejo.
What is wrong with your language?
Pendejo sí está.
So let me show y'all what we got. Okay, so, but you can't even really see me. Come here, you fat ass. Okay, whatever.
So this is what we got. Te traigo rancheritos porque ahí ahorita se comió tus chetos. We got munchies, hot fries, beef.
¿No también estaban $1? No.
Mira, mi-
Oh, no.
No, lo que estaba $1 era esto.
Quieren unos galletas de chocolate.
¿Cómo
Estas.
te puso el pinche pan mejor?
Mamá, te están viendo. And we have some chocolate chip cookies. And then we got some Kit Kats and some M&M's. So yeah. But anyway, so this is all we got, and now we're gonna start getting ready to film.
Ayer
So estamos grabando. ¿Me puede parar el policía por grabar?
¿Verdad que sí?
¿Eh?
Bueno, te voy a parar de aquí.
No, espérate, estábamos así, let me show you.
Uy, so, estábamos así en la camioneta. Estábamos así y luego, quién sabe cómo me reversé y luego que chequé la ventanita de atrás y vi que el policía se puso atrás y tenía la luz prendida. Y dije, policía, agarra la cámara, agarra la cámara, agarra la cámara. Y luego ya me fui y él quién sabe cómo se volteó y se fue detrás y luego ya se metió al centro. Ya te lo hagas, cabrón. ¿Sí lo puedes parar por eso?
Nah, I don't think so.
But
But
anyway, let me get ready. I'm gonna change and everything, shave, and then we're gonna start filming. So we'll see you on to the next clip. And we are back, and I am ready. I already changed, you know, I shaved, got ready, blah blah blah. We actually have a cake we have to finish right now, which they're gonna pick up today later on, but that's fine. It just has flowers on there and it's super easy. But anyways, as y'all can see by this set, we added some balloons on the back. We, you know, added that little thingy. I don't know what it is, but anyways, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was something really random, something funny, something fast, I guess. I don't know. I just felt like I wanted to vlog and upload something for y'all, so that's what I did. I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog, and if y'all did, don't forget to give it a like, thumbs up, share it around with your friends, comment down below if you have any video suggestions or anything like that. Follow me on social media, which all the links will be down in the description box below. And I guess I'll see you on to the next video. So, bye!